Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. I want to wish a very big happy birthday to Emily Claire. We hope you have a wonderful and very special birthday. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, so hopefully you can spend your birthday outside. Please send us pictures if you take any today. I'd love to share them with our morning message video. And I hope you have a good birthday. And Emily Claire, look on the stream later this morning for a little birthday message from us. Also, wanted to share, Allie and Olivia sent this picture in from their birthday. They are on their trampoline in their backyard, and I love seeing how excited they got to spend their birthday. Even though we're under quarantine, they still made the best of it and had fun with each other. They also sent me this picture of them eating yummy chocolate cake, but it wouldn't open, so y'all can see it here. But it made me want some chocolate cake. So it looks delicious. And we hope all of our friends had wonderful birthdays that celebrated over spring break. So good morning. Let's go ahead and look over what you're doing today. So first things first, you go to Google Classroom when your ClassLinks opens, and I've already opened it. And then remember, on our stream, I do have the newsletter for this week on the stream this morning. And that's also when I post office hours. And then if you hit the classwork tab like you do each day, today is April 14th, day 16 of e-learning. So if we start from the bottom, and you can start wherever you would like. Day 16 math is Big Ideas. Boys and girls, we are not using the Big Ideas app this week. Once again, we are using Google Slides. So you are just typing right into a slide just like you do for reading. So you don't have to do it in your workbook, and you're not doing it through the Big Ideas app. You were opening it straight from Google Classroom. So today you're going to do extra math first. I'm sorry, I scooted down too much. Extra math. Then you're going to watch the video on 14.1. And then after you watch the video, you're going to open up the Google Slides. You'll press it. I have it right here. You will complete slides 2 through 4, which are questions 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And so you'll just go to the next slide. Your learning target is find the total value of a group of coins. So you will count the total to identify the coin, think about how much that is worth, and then add those amounts together. You should be able to just click on the slide and your text box will show up, and you can just put the amount here in each text box, and then put your total. If you need to use scratch paper to add those together, you can. You do not have to show me that work because there really isn't a place for it on the screen. So please do get some scratch paper and a pencil for your math today. Slides 3, slide 4 is your last question. And then slide 5 says, oh no, I deleted my text box. So boys and girls, if you forget, I'm sorry, if your text box somehow gets deleted when you're deleting the answer, this slide shows you how to insert a text box. Insert, and then text box. Okay, so it shows you how to do that. So once you are finished with that, remember Google Slides automatically saves. After you finish your math slides, X out. Make sure you have done your extra math, and then mark it as turned in. This is for a grade, so do be sure you are completing your math assignment. After you finish your math assignment, Dreambox for 30 minutes. And then, remember, that's right up here. Back to your ClassLinks, here's your Dreambox. Once you do that, mark it as turned in. And then today, for your reading, you're going to read your story, Half Chicken, again in your Journeys book. You read it yesterday, so today is a reread. And then you're going to complete your vocabulary slides. Type in your name, the title of the book, the author of the book, and then pick one vocabulary word. Tell me the part of speech, a synonym for that word, the definition of that word, and then use it in a sentence. Then you will do that again down here for word number 2. So pick 2 words for vocabulary today from the story Half Chicken and do this activity. This is for a grade, so make sure you're completing this. We have done one of these every week. We are keeping it consistent this week, so this is not something new. You are just using it for a new story. Once you're done, X out, go back to your Google Classroom and mark it as turned in. Then you'll do Lexia for 20 minutes. Everyone has Lexia again today. You go back to your class links, go to Core 5 Lexia and open that up. Once you are done, come back to Google Classroom and mark it as turned in. All right, science today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson yesterday. I think it was really cool through Edpuzzle. Today, we're going to go back to Discovery Ed and work on the very last unit. So, you will open your science textbook. And I will add the video. I'm sorry, I didn't realize the Discovery Science Textbook video. And honestly, if you are watching this video, you know how to get to Discovery Ed. We do it all the time. So you are going to open up your class links, click your Discovery Education Class Link app button. Once you have clicked there, it'll open up. All right, once you are here, friends, remember you hit your science textbook. You can do it here, or if you need to go through the waffle, which is your little buttons at the top, you can click on the little square and your science textbook. If you scroll down, sorry, I pressed the wrong button. I'm probably more confusing. So if you scroll down, press your little waffle up at the top right. And then your science textbook is down here, that little green button. My screen's not big enough to show you, but there's 2 ways to access it. Okay, so once it has opened up, it should say South Carolina Grade 2 at the top. We did this a couple weeks ago. You're going to scroll all the way down to Unit 5, Forces and Motion. I want you to view the concept for 5.1 on the move. So I'm going to click it, and then it opens up. And you are going to work on the Engage tab. Do not worry about the Explore, Explain, or any of those other tabs today. Only the Engage tab. So scroll down, you'll read. Remember, it can read it to you if you highlight it. Watch the videos, scroll down. There's some images that you can read about. And then it says, what do you know about things that move? This bicycle is moving. What is making the bicycle move? Think about that question. Now, look at the girl riding her bike. Talk to your group. You can talk to a friend at home, mom or dad or sibling. Talk about the different ways that a bicycle can move. How can you make a bicycle move? Write your answer below. So type in your answer in the box, and then you'll hit the submit button once you are done. Then scroll down. How does the ball move? You are going to match the type of movement to the picture. Which one shows a bounce? Which one shows a fall? Which one shows a push and a spin? Remember, you have to scroll down, and then there's your images on the right. So you click your word first, and then click the matching picture, and then hit submit when you're done with that. Scroll down. Think about how fast each of these can move. Which list puts them in order from slowest to fastest? Okay. Is it race car, dog, turtle, bike? Turtle, bike, dog, race car? Bike, race car, dog, or turtle? Or race car, bike, turtle, and dog? Pick the answer that shows slowest to fastest. Think about that, and then hit submit. And then how can things move from one position to another? So explain the answer. What do you think? Why do you think things move? Or how do you think things move from one position to another? Type your answer and press submit. So I believe that was 4 questions you have today for your science. Once you are done, you may X out of Discovery Ed. Go back, mark it as turned in. And the last thing you have today is your AR time. Boys and girls, I wanted to share. Remember, you've been using Tumble Books, you've been using Epic. You can read any book as long as you understand it and can comprehend the book to take an AR test. It does not have to be on your dot level. Miss Rhodes has said that we just really just want to make sure everyone is reading. So if you have found all the books and Tumble Books that you like on your dot level, you can go up a little and maybe with the assist of a parent. Or if you want to read something below your level, you may do that too and still take an AR test. It's going to be okay to do that. We have gotten approval. So if you want to go a little bit harder and maybe read with a parent, but as long as you're understanding and comprehending, or if you want to read down a little bit, maybe you're on a 2.0 and you want to read a 1.9, that is fine with me. So I wanted to share that, but also the Tumble Books video is still there on how to search. But I also wanted to share, we have added Mayan, and we will be using this a lot next week as an assignment. But Mayan is a class link now, but that is a way to find books on your level as well. So please take advantage. The district has added a easy link for that. So click that today. Investigate, do some work in there if you would like. You can get books that way as well. All right, friends, that is all you have today. If you have questions, reach out. Parents, I did want to share, make sure you are using, and let me find it, the e-learning resources tab for parents. Don't forget that is still there, and there are a lot of wonderful things there. Mayan is there. It shows you about how to use that. The school name is Read at Home. The username is Read Now, and the password is Mayan. But now that the district has added it into class links, it should not ask you for a password. But there are a lot of things there, parents. Don't forget about that. The newsletter, I emailed it to you yesterday, and it's in our stream. But if you have any questions, remember my email is jordan.johnson@fsd1.org, or you can just message me right through Google Classroom. A reminder to wash your hands constantly. Make sure you're trying not to touch your face. Keep your distance from those who don't live in your household. Stay safe. I miss you all. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye, everyone. Have a good day.